Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Ishita. I hope you all are doing great. So from today onwards, I'm going to start a new series called My Collection series. In this series, I'm going to show you many things like my jewelry, my bag collection, my dresses, my kurtis, saris, footwear, anything. So actually a while ago, I have started a series called Makeup Haul video and I have created only one or two video for that, so I am going to include those video in this series so you can easily find my videos if you're looking for haul type of video. So I have been collecting my jewelry since past 2 or 3 months as I was going to attend my relative's marriage. So actually I'll tell you one thing guys, previously I was not very fascinated with the Indian jewelries, but now these days I'm literally obsessed with Indian attires, jewelries, wearing jewelries, doing makeups. So here I am with my new series. I hope you will enjoy all the videos in this series. So basically what I did here, I have categorized my all jewelries. Like today I am going to show you my earrings, and in my next video maybe I'm gonna show you my all the necklaces, all the footwears which I have purchased recently. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So these all earrings is not from the same side, all are from different online app. So I have purchased few of them from Myntra, from Amazon, not Amazon, Flipkart, and one of them from Paytm, which is quite, quality wise they are amazing and they are not too much expensive. If you go to buy something from Insta store, price wise they are very similar. So I'm going to start my video with this one. This is the first earring. So you can see this is a small mirror in the front, and you can see this is the pearl detailing at the bottom, and you can wear it with a green sari, yellow sari, and also you can wear it has a little hint of pink work here. You can wear it with pink saris also. It will go with sari and suit, whatever you want to wear on. I wore it in the mehendi ceremony and everything was perfect. Only the thing is that it is quite heavier than my rest of earring. Those all are bigger than this one, but it is little heavier than other from other of my earrings. So otherwise I really like it a lot. Rest of thing is perfect except the weight. And if you are good with weight thing, you can go and buy this one. I have purchased this from Myntra and I will link it down in case if you want to buy from Myntra, so you can go directly to the link. The next one is this black jhumki. It is a very beautiful design on the top, and you can see it has also a pearl detailing at the bottom. So you can wear it on the sari and also in the kurti, and you can also pair it with Indo-Western dress. So I like this one also because I almost like all my thing. If I'm purchasing, I really research on it and then I purchase them. That's why I pretty much like all the things which purchase online. So unfortunately I did not get any opportunity to wear this one, but I am looking forward to create a look where I can pair this earring with my makeup. So the next one is like my favorite one. This is the red and white earring. So actually there is a one necklace which is quite similar with this earring, and that necklace had already a earring, but that earring is quite small. So I was looking for something which goes perfectly with that necklace and I got this one. So this is quite amazing, that goes perfectly with that one. I'm going to show you that necklace in my next video probably. In case you are thinking that it is quite big because of the size, no, it's not. Unfortunately I didn't get opportunity to wear this one, but I'm looking forward to wear this one and create look with this. So the next one is this pink jhumka. I wore it in the Sangeet function and it was really going perfect with my look and my sari, and it has a very beautiful work on the jhumka, you can see, and also the pearl detailing. So it was really looking very nice. It was going perfect with my sari, and it is not at all heavy if in case you are thinking so. So I'm quickly moving towards my next one. Okay, so the next one is this last one, this earring. I wore it in tilak function, tilak ceremony, and it was perfectly going with my baby pink sari. That pink sari has white design on the borders, that's why it was going perfectly with my sari. I will post photo over here somewhere so that you can see how I did my makeup that day. I will recreate that makeup in future videos maybe. So this was really very nice and it was really very beautiful. It has, again it is having that pearl detail, and also it has that you can say kundan work over here, and it is kind of Chand Bali type of earring, and I really liked it. This is the like my first big earring, and I really like it a lot because it goes with my face, and as I am having round face, that's why I always have to figure out which earring will goes with my face structure, and this is going perfectly with my face, with my makeup and everything. So I really liked it, and it is in a white color if in case you are thinking. So that's it from my side. I hope you have enjoyed my video, and if you really, then do not forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, I am Ishita. I make video on makeup, fashion, haul videos and skincare, hair care videos. I hope you will enjoy my YouTube video, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet.